So today I wanted to get with Mr. Butler here. We've been on a roadster at the Toyota store for a little while now, and kind of talk about how it's evolved, how the dealership has evolved with it, how the tools evolved for you guys, and maybe try to help some of the new stores that have just come on the roadster, how they can maybe learn a little bit faster than maybe what it happened for you guys. So how long have you guys been on the roadster exactly?
Well, we started studying the digital retailing tools through through the help and assistance from Southeast Toyota back in February of 19. So kind of landed on Roadster in the third quarter, and as being the tool that we thought would fit our process, the style, the way our BDC and sales floor operates. So we launched it live, I think, early December. Okay. So, a good 7 months, really approaching 8 months that we've been working with the tool itself.
So you said you guys have been looking at this for a while. What was your original thought and process with how you thought the tool would work for you and fit in?
Well, obviously digital retailing is a buzzword, and it's something within the industry that has created a lot of attention, whether it's at NADA or through the manufacturer's commentary. So we just wanted to really get involved with it and see what is digital retailing, what software, what tools are out there, vendor support, and then how can we take that and sort of incorporate that into a traditional sales process, and then let it evolve and see where it goes, see if we could get some incremental business out of it, as opposed to just changing our entire process. So we brought Roadster on board to really just say, all right, let's explore this thing, see what we have.
Right, and here you guys started out with just doing it online, right? Just with the BDC, and has that changed any, or is it still currently with the BDC?
So our thought process was, rather than just launch it throughout the whole store and maybe cause some process disruptions, we would roll it out to the BDC first. And our plans were, we knew that when we launched Roadster in December, we were going to back that up with an e-leads launch in January.
Right.
So obviously a lot of technology being thrown at the team. So our plans were to come back and follow up in March and drop it into the sales floor. And then obviously COVID kind of created some distractions for us there, so we postponed putting it on the sales floor. Now we're looking at rolling it out to the sales team right after Labor Day.
Okay. So I know you guys have been on it for 7 months, whatever now, and how has it evolved for you guys? How has the tool evolved for you?
Well, you get educated by the people, the training teams, and then your performance coach on how the tool should be and their sort of theoretical approach to it. And we just really tried to deprogram that and say, all right, let's look at it from our lens and not from how they told us the tool should be. So we learned everything we could about the process that they, in theory, were trying to capture. And at the same time, all right, we don't want to change what we're doing too much. We just want to kind of grow with it. Right. So we just sort of reinvented the tool to work for us, to be a tool for us, instead of us kind of working for the tool. And even from a training standpoint, we use Proactive as our BDC training provider, and we even retrained the training programs. So
right.
we revamped everything to really support what Roadster could do to support a traditional process that we thought we were already pretty good at.
Okay.